Hello world, Assalamu alaikum. Let's explore the FLYX drone flying operations through remote controller. Here is the drone. First, I should open on the drone, long press. Then I should on the remote controller. Then I should connect it. I would like to off the drones during this instruction of the remote controller so that drone does not fly away out of this table. Here is the button number 1. This is speed button. It will give you 3 different speeds, level 1, 2, 3. This is the rolling button. It will roll the drone when flying. This is left incremental adjustment or correction. Right, this is the button number 4, right incremental adjustment or correction. This is number 5, left joystick. This is number 6, right joystick. This is number 7 button. It has 2 different purposes. Short press will give you headless mode. Long press will make the drone return to home. This is forward incremental adjustment or correction button. This is lift or take off, and next landing button, the same button. This is backward incremental correction button. This is the on off button. Here we can keep our mobile phone to check the video or record the video. This button, if we press this button upward, it will take the drone upward. If we press this button downward, it will bring the drone downward. It will, if we press left button, left joystick, leftward, it will rotate the drone leftward. If we press the left joystick rightward, it will rotate the drone rightward. This is the right joystick. If we press it forward, upward, it will push the drone forward. If we press the joystick downward, it will bring the drone backward. If we press the right joystick leftward, it will push the drone leftward. It will, if we press the right joystick rightward, it will push the drone rightward again. If we press this joystick button upward, forward, this drone will go forward, will go upward. This drone will go upward vertically. If we press the left joystick downward, this drone will come from vertically upward position to downward position. If we press the left joystick leftward, this drone will be rotated leftward. If we press the left joystick rightward, this drone will rotate rightward. Next, right joystick. If we press the right joystick upward, means forward, the drone will go forward. If we press the right joystick downward, drone will come back to now will backward. Drone will come backward. If we press the right joystick leftward, drone will go leftward horizontally. If we press the right joystick rightward, drone will go rightward horizontally. Again, this joystick operations, vertical operations as well as rotating operations. This joystick, left joystick, will give you vertical operations and rotating operations. This right joystick will give you horizontal operations, forward, backward, leftward and rightward. These are the basic instructions. So this remote controller comes up with FLYX drone. Thanks for watching. Comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you.